sleeper train experience.
Kai. Cozy? No, I'm going to go. This is the blanket that I have, and it comes pre-packaged, which is really nice, so you know that no one's been wiping their horrible feet on it. My shoes down there, always in my bag there. Fat cunt equipment. Wall stop next to me. I'm so glad I got one of the lower berth ones as well, because the one on the top doesn't have a window.
Big as well. You know that? Yeah.
Absolutely dying for this. It's a good job I didn't eat the shit in it.
So we just got to Surat Thani, my favourite mode of transport today. That were absolutely class. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. What a vehicle.